Welcome back. Let's start the timer in work mode. The circular progress ring updates smoothly while the countdown runs in real time. You can pause the timer at any moment and continue whenever you're ready. Now I'll switch to break mode. The timer automatically changes its appearance to clearly distinguish between work sessions and breaks, creating a simple and distraction-free experience. Let's take a look at the source code behind the application. The interface is built using JavaFX with a clean layout that keeps the focus on the timer. The circular ring is created using JavaFX shapes and styled with glow effects to give it a modern appearance. The countdown itself is controlled by a JavaFX timeline, which updates the timer every second. As the remaining time changes, the progress ring is animated to create a smooth countdown effect. The application supports both work and break sessions. Each mode has its own duration, color theme, and state, making it easy to switch between focused work and short breaks. The start, pause, and reset buttons each have dedicated event handlers. This keeps the application responsive while making the code easier to read and maintain. To make the interface feel more polished, I added smooth transitions, a glowing progress ring, and subtle animations that play while the timer is running. When the countdown reaches 0, the application plays a notification sound, shows a completion animation, and automatically prepares the next session, just like a real Pomodoro timer. Even though this is a relatively small project, it demonstrates many useful JavaFX concepts, including layouts, animations, event handling, custom graphics, and state management. These same techniques can be reused to build much larger desktop applications. I'll pause the timer now, reset it back to the beginning, and close the application.